wanted to make a quick video because I'm getting back into the workshop again, clock and watch making, after a little bit of time off. And I've just come across and managed to get my hands on this fantastic Cowles lathe. It's in absolutely superb condition, and it's got absolutely loads of accessories with it as well, and we'll have a look at those in a second and perhaps in some separate videos. But it's got the wheel and pinion cutter, it's got dividing head, and loads of other attachments which we'll look at in a second. So first of all, like I say, it's a Cowles 90 lathe. It's the ME model, which has the auto traverse and screw cutting attachments. I've had a few Cowles over the time, and the bed, you're probably not picking that up on camera, the bed is absolutely brilliant. It's a slight surface marking there, and there's a touch there with my nail that I can feel, but other than that the bed is absolutely immaculate, certainly the nicest one that I've had before. Everything else is pretty much standard with the Cowles, which is all nice, all working. Of course, it's got the tailstock in it. It's got a quick change tool post, which isn't actually on the lathe at the moment, but that's the quick change tool post. Belts are in good condition, but some spare belts for it. I managed to get a copy of the Cowles 90 handbook by A. Smith, which is always useful to read. In terms of other accessories, I'm going to do some separate videos on each of these, but it's got the Cowles dividing head, which is really nice. It's got the fixed steady, and it's got the moving steady as well. In here we've got a pack of collets. So we've got a few different collets. We've got imperial, we've got metric collets as well. And some of these, my understanding, like I say, I've only just got this, but my understanding is that some of them as well are for the wheel and pinion cutter, but they all fit in this here. So there's the collet holder. It's got the milling vise, and also the vise itself, sorry. So that's the vertical slide, sorry, and the milling vise. It's got an original Pratt 4-jaw chuck, as well as a 3-jaw chuck. Nice condition. It's got a faceplate, a load of different centres in there as well. And also it comes with the with a set of change wheels. Now, I have had one of these before, and I've got a feeling that that isn't the complete set of change wheels, so I need to find out exactly what I've got there. But if I'm being nice, I just wanted to make this video just to show what I'd got, because I'm well impressed with it, very impressed with it. And of course, this is very uncommon. I say very uncommon. I've certainly not seen many on. In fact, I've not seen any on YouTube. I've never seen one in action. I've seen a few pictures of them, but this is the original Cowles wheel and pinion cutter that can be mounted on the vertical slide and used to cut pinions. So my intention now is, that was just a little bit of an overview of the machine, and my intention really would be to make a couple of separate videos just to show these parts in action, perhaps a video on the dividing head, and perhaps a separate video as well on the pinion cutter, because I think that'll be quite nice to see in action if I can get it set up and working. So there you go, that's my new purchase, the new Cowles lathe, and hopefully I'll keep hold of this one for many years to come. Thanks for watching.